theatrical notes. You know what I mean? Rain on the grave. Like he can still do it. All right, today I'm checking out Bruce Dickinson. I'm listening to the song Rain on the Graves. Let's get into it.
Country churchyard, I came across a man. He smiled and slowly beckoned me with a trembling hand. Did you come to gamble? Did you come to pray? What's the meaning of your business here on a stormy day? The raindrops spattered on the tomb from gray and leaden skies. Deny me once, deny me twice, don't look in my eyes.
Man, I like what I think is what maybe age has done to Bruce Dickinson's voice, or maybe it's just the vocal style he's making for this song. I don't know. Because in the beginning, when he was like kind of doing what you call it, like talk singing kind of thing, you know what I mean? He had like that mature man storytelling vocal style, but it's still identifiably Bruce Dickinson. And then he shows right after that he can still hit those kind of theatrical notes. You know what I mean? Rain on the grave. Like he can still do it. He's still got it, but the storytelling, mature man storytelling vibes, I'm like, no, that's definitely a vibe.
Faithless, he denied the truth that he had come to steal, to kneel before the poet, not the altar or the priest. He's washed himself in misery before he came to pray. He'd hoped in his false penitence some sympathy he'd sway. It's just rain. of sinners, you are what I have made. You're talking to your likeness and my shadow is your shade. Stand up and face the mirror, it's the image that you crave. But I'll be here when you're long gone, I'll see you in that grave.
I guess it's over. Is the last minute just credits? Is there something at the end? Oh no, I think it's over. There's some creepy credits though. Yeah, I think it's about over. Dang, I thought we had more time left. I don't know where I was, honestly. I don't know where I was. I definitely wasn't focused on the lyrics, and that became obvious to me towards the end of the song when he's talking about something like "see you back in hell" or "send you back to hell." I was like, wait a minute, what is this song even about? Rain on the grave. You got William Blake. That quote in the beginning was interesting. Something about the truth told with bad intent is just as bad as a lie. Something. It made me want to remember and look it up. Plenty of people mention William Blake. I know he's a poet and stuff. I've never really looked into him. Now I want to look him up after seeing this. He was clearly important in this song. Was it about him? I don't know. He had the grave at the end. He had the quote in the beginning. Some dealings with the devil and go back to hell. It was the vocals, like the sound of the vocals. You got the verse vocals, which was like, a mature, creepy guy storytelling. It had the creepiness to it. And then you got the vocals in the chorus, which is like, to me, the classic Bruce Dickinson sound. To me, it sounds kind of theatrical in a way. It's like big theatrical, that kind of vocal style. And then you got the riffs. You know what I'm saying? The riffs were absolutely banging, and that's where I was. Between the music and the sound of the vocals, you know what I mean? The details of the vocal chords, you know what I'm saying? The maneuvers. That's where I really wasn't focused on the story. And it's not even that it wasn't clear. No, I think it was pretty clear. That's just, it was not my focus on this one.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. You to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.